Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library. And this week, the week of April 25th to May 3rd, we're going to be celebrating Arbor Day. And we have some fun activities for you to do, and all about talking about how about trees, how are trees good for us, what do they do to help us, and some fun activities for you to do in your packet. Your packet is going to give you all of the materials you need to make a cherry blossom tree. And this is one that's all finished. Oh, looks like we had one fall off. If I put him back up there. There we go. And this is what it will look like when you're finished. When you open your package, the first thing you need to get out are your directions. And it tells you exactly how to do this craft. And there's that. You'll have a tree that looks like this, just a plain old white tree, but you're going to make it beautiful. And the first thing you do is you would peel off the back of this paper from the trunk of the tree and make sure you get it just like that, and you'd still stick that on there. And then you'll see as you get your things out, you have cherry blossoms. But I wouldn't put those on yet because we have a pink string. And the pink string, there's two little holes here. And you put them through, make a knot in the back, and there's your hanger for your tree. So you'll want to use your pink string for that. When you're finished getting your string on, then you have two different designs. This one for the cherry blossom and this one. And those go all over this tree like that. And you just peel the back off like that. And you just stick them on here. And they just fit on like a sticker. Okay? Just like that. They stick on. And then after those are all on there, you take these little bitty dots. And they're sticky on both sides. And you take one off. And you put it in the middle. Right here, put it in the middle, and then you put on a pom-pom, okay? You will not, everyone won't be covered, but most of them will, and these are all the things you need. Be careful not to lose any of your parts. These are just little things like that. They stick on with this, just as easy as pie. And when you're all finished, you'll have a cherry blossom tree. So have fun this week with your craft. Enjoy it and hang it up somewhere where everybody can enjoy it, or give it to somebody special. Bye guys. Thanks.